Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Today our topic is have got and has got. In this video I am going to explain have got and has got. Now what is have got and has got, what does it mean, how to use it, where to use it, and what is the usage of it. So let's come to the topic. Have got and has got are expressions. According to the grammar, they are expression. Grammar के लिहाज से ये दोनों expressions है. Now what does it mean? अब इसका क्या मतलब है? देखिए, have got means have, has got mean has. Have got means have, has got means has. Is this clear, guys? Now where to use it and how to use it. अब हम इसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. देखिए, have got and has got are used in place of have or has. We use have got and has got in place of have or has. You know, we can use whether we want to use have or have got or has got. हम दोनों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, have got या have या has got या has. ये हम पर डिपेंड करता है, चाहे हम have got इस्तेमाल करें या have इस्तेमाल करें, has got इस्तेमाल करें या फिर has इस्तेमाल करें. Is this clear, guys? See another point. Have got or has got does not have any past form. Have got and has got doesn't have any kind of past form. It does not have any kind of past form. Is this clear, guys? इसकी दूसरी हालत नहीं है. Have got और has got का दूसरी हालत नहीं है. ठीक है. Now how to use it in the sentences. I mean how to make sentences with have got and has got. So let's see. I have got a car. I have got a car. Now what does this sentence mean? This sentence means that I have a car. I told you that we can use both have got and have, right? Here I used I have got a car. I have got a car or got a car. And here I use I have a car. We can use both, whether we want to use this have got or have. Both have the same meaning, right? Both have the same meaning. Now you can see here got. You must be thinking that it's third form and here we have. So you must be thinking that it means that I found a car. I found a car. But this is not the meaning of like this. It means that I have a car. I have got a car means I have a car. Is this clear, guys? See another example. She has got a pen. She has got a pen. Now what does this sentence mean? This sentence means that she has a pen. She has a pen. We use has with singular, right? Has with singular and have with plural. So it is a singular subject with us. So that's why I used have. She has got a pen. She has got a pen. Now this example means that she has a pen. I told you guys, we can use both, whether you wanna use this has or has got. Both have the same meaning. It gives or they give the same meaning, right? So this example, this example means that she has a pen. Now, this example doesn't mean that she found a pen. Got, you can see here, sometimes it gives the meaning of find, right? Find, but it doesn't mean that she has found a pen. It means that she has a pen. She has a pen. Is this clear, guys? See, in Urdu, I have got a car. अब इस सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब हुआ? इस सेंटेंस का मतलब ये हुआ कि मेरे पास एक गाड़ी है. I have a car. मेरे पास एक गाड़ी है. अब have got को भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और have को भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. चाहे आप चाहते हैं कि ये इस्तेमाल करें या फिर have got इस्तेमाल करें, दोनों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दोनों का मतलब एक है. ठीक है, दूसरे एग्जांपल को देखिए. She has got a pen. इस एग्जांपल का मतलब ये है कि उसके पास एक पेन है, उसके पास एक कलम है. She has a pen. मैंने यहाँ पर has इस्तेमाल किया और यहाँ पर has got इस्तेमाल किया. क्यों इस्तेमाल किया? क्योंकि दोनों का मतलब एक है. दोनों का मतलब एक है. और has जो है हम सिंगुलर के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ. और have जो है हम प्लूरल के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Is this clear? have प्लूरल के साथ और has सिंगुलर के साथ. यहाँ she has got a pen और she has a pen, दोनों का मतलब एक है. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मेरे न्यू वीडियोस आपको जल्द से जल्द मिले.